Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unfriend someone on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to unfriend someone on Steam, guys, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my Steam app over here. Now after you have logged in, guys, on this interface you can see your username over here where it says activity, follow, profile and friends. Hover over your username like this and click on the friends over here, and all of your friends on Steam will be available over here. Now in order to unfriend someone on Steam, simply click on your friend over here or the person whom you want to unfriend, and their profile will appear like this, where you can see, guys, after this their profile opens on Steam like this. On this interface where I'm hovering, there's a three-dotted icon with a drop down arrow. Click on that and you will be able to see this interface where there is the unfriend button available for us. Click on unfriend and click on the remove friend button over here, and then your friend and that friend will be unfriended from your Steam account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to unfriend someone on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.